evening, Internet. This is Joshua, talking from Litchfield, New Hampshire. We are going and talking about Lesson 14 today. I'm going to wait for my companions here. We will go ahead and get the shindig started. But in the meantime, I'm just going to be organizing my notes here because I am very messy. I'm not a very organized person, but you will have to forgive me. Let's see here. This is homework from 12A. This is my Dungeons and Dragons notes. Where do they go? Up here. Excuse me. This is F10. Preparation assignment. L12. Preparation assignment. This is homework from. This is trash. Lesson 12, Lesson 11, Lesson 10. Let's re-invite our roommates here. Well, howdy. This is Lesson 7. Okay. Is that all of Lesson 7?
Yeah, okay.
7.
Hey,
Oh,
Josh.
hey. How you
It was
doing?
weird. Good. I tried to join, and then it was just like I was just watching you live, but I couldn't join.
Oh, really?
So it was wrong. Yeah. I don't know.
Oh,
Someday I'll be good at computers, but not now.
that's okay. I was busy just organizing my papers because I'm such a slob. I don't know where everything is anymore.
Gotcha.
I just kind of throw all these papers in one pile and say, okay, here's Psych and math homework together, so we can figure this out later, and it never comes.
If I leave mine out, my 4-year-old punches holes in them. So.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Not quite there yet, but I will.
Hey, sorry about last time. My little guy was super sick. I was actually with him at the doctor.
That's okay. I understand. It's kids come first.
Yeah.
Come first.
Well, if he was just sick laying on the couch, it wouldn't have been a big deal. But he was thrown up and.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Good kitty.
I'm assuming Natalie said she'd be here, but.
Yeah. Is Natalie okay? She hasn't been showing up the last few times. I'm just kind of.
She hasn't. Yeah, I was feeling a little concerned for her too.
I don't know if it's something's going on. She's all right.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, she's missed quite a few.
I know, like, I went through. I missed one meeting with you guys.
Yeah.
I freaking shot my grade down from a 97 to a 92 overall grade, and I was like, "What?"
Oh my God.
That really hurt me, like my grade, and I was like, I'd better not miss another meeting.
Yeah.
Oh.
Jeez.
I just didn't think it had that much effect on the overall grade, but I guess it did.
Well, was that before our first test? Because that's probably why. Because our test was like a ton of points.
I think it was. I can't remember.
Yeah, I think it was. And because it's like I got a low A on the test, and it brought my grade from like the same, like
it could have been. Yeah, I got a 9. I got a 90 on mine or something.
Yeah, that's what I got on mine too. And it brought my grade from like a high A to a low A.
Yeah.
So I think that test is pretty heavily weighted. So hopefully. Yeah. Alrighty, well. Hopefully she's okay.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm gonna put this together. Lesson 10. Lesson 10.
I'll just send her a quick message and see if
This lessons that we're doing, these are lessons, but this test this weekend, is it 8 through 8 through 14?
Yes.
Okay, because I can't find my notes for 8. I have no idea where they're. Oh, somebody's coming.
Is she?
Somebody just texted me or something.
Oh, that was me.
Natalie, are you there? Okay.
That was me. Sometimes she'll respond to the messaging and be like, I can't get on. Oh,
it's just a text right now. Let me get here.
Oh, she's here. She's like, oh no. So maybe she just forgot.
Oh, hold on. That's fine. I can't find my notes for number 8. That's too bad. Excuse me. These notes need to be organized. I guess I can put it here.
Okay. I actually feel better about this upcoming test than I did the last one.
Yeah?
Because, well, I think it's because you just put it all into the software, and I'm not worried about me miscalculating everything.
Right. I always miss like one problem for some stupid reason, so I'm a little nervous more than what I'm used to, but
yeah,
that's just me.
I'm trying to think.
What is?
Yeah, I mean, it seems like almost everything is putting it into the software. Yeah, there's a little bit of calculating involved. Let's see.
Lesson 14, preparation assignments. All right. Yeah.
There she is. Hey, Natalie.
Hello. How you doing, Natalie?
I'm okay.
You good?
Yeah.
Good to hear. Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out all this stuff. It's like I have like a bajillion papers here.
No worries. 14,
13.
Do you guys have any idea what the project we're going to be doing at the end of the semester is about?
I have no idea, but I
No
bet it
idea.
involves everything that we've ever learned in this class.
Yeah, probably.
I think it has something to do with
Do we do our own research, maybe?
yeah, it could be like
Data collection?
we have to, maybe they'll give us like a research and they'll say like, all right, with all the information you've learned from the entire course, like make a test statistic or something.
Right. Ugh.
That should be interesting. I'm not
Yeah.
sure. All right. Guess. Sorry, 13, 10, 11, 12. Here comes 13. Here. Okay. All right. Now that that's done. Sigma known and sigma unknown. And then 14.
Yep.
So many notes to take on 14. Jeez.
Yeah.
And 13. Okay. Let's put that
All
here.
right. You ready?
I'm ready when you guys are.
Yep.
All right. I will start with number 1. What are the null and alternative hypotheses for ANOVA? And these are easy. It's either the means are all equal, or one or more of the means differ from the other.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I'm on the homework assignment. Now we're in the
Oh, there you go. I have not done the homework assignment. I did not
Me
get it.
neither.
gas. No, just kidding.
That's on my docket tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Number 2. For one of the assumptions for ANOVA, what is the rule explaining the variance of each of the samples? Well, I first said it was the variance of each of the samples must be equal, but the answer actually is the largest variance is not 4 times the smallest variance.
Right.
And by that, we can conclude that the variances are equal.
Yeah.
Or at least approximately equal.
Yep.
Yeah.
Which is incredible that it's 4 times.
I know. I was like,
really?
Somebody must have come up with that.
Yeah.
That.
Kind of like, well, this rule doesn't work unless we do 4 times, so that's what'll be the rule to be.
Yeah.
Whatever. All right, Natalie, your turn.
okay, number 3. What are the differences between the tests of hypothesis for ANOVA and the other tests of hypothesis that we have covered to this point of the class? And all I could really think of is that you're dealing with more than the 2 means that you normally deal with.
Yep. And that we also use the F factor as the other one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the F factor. In fact, that's not T or Z anymore. You're talking about more than one mean.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
An F. No, more than 2 means. Sorry, more than 2 means.
Yes.
Because if you still had 2 means, you'd still use T.
Yes. Which is actually kind of nice. I feel like it's easy to figure out which hypothesis testing you're going to use, because if you know sigma, you're always going to use the probability chart. But if you don't know sigma, you'll always use T distribution.
Yeah.
Unless you have more than one mean. So that'd
Did
be
you guys
easy.
start filling this guy out?
No, where did you get that?
It's on like the class resources in the beginning of the syllabus. This is a list of everything we're going through one by one by one. I haven't filled in 2 means paired data and the one we just did.
Okay.
Huh.
Independent. Oh, I haven't done paired, independent, or more than 2 means boxes. So
Okay.
I'm missing 3, but I've done sigma known and sigma unknown. You can get this and you can write it out. So it'd be nice. Easy.
Ooh, that's a good idea. Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so part 2.
Yes.
Let's see. I'm not going to read that, so you guys have it.
Yes. Read it.
Okay, so designing the study. I'll just do number 1, A and B. Designing the study, do female writers, the research question, do female writers have different age expectancies depending on what they write, basically. State the null and the alternative. Same as before, all the means are equal. Or the alternative could be one or more of them differ from the others.
Mm-hmm.
Number 2, collect the data. You describe the data collected procedures, the way they've collected the data. It doesn't really say how they collected it,
Mm-hmm.
except the fact that data was collected for the female writer deaths in North America.
Right.
So if they
yes.
had it stated, I'd write it, but I don't think there's anything else besides.
No, there isn't. I mean, I think you just kind of assume they must have looked through records.
Yeah, they either look through death certificates or records for some odd year and kind of try to figure out who was a writer and who was not.
Who was the poet, who was the whatever. Okay.
Nonfiction. But yeah, that's how the data collection was done.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right.
Okay. Oh, where'd it go? Okay, there it is. What one are we on? I lost it.
Number 3, describe the data.
Oh yeah. What I saw whenever it was graphed and everything is it was normally distributed for each group, and so, sorry, my dog's whining. And so since it's normally distributed, then you can proceed with the ANOVA testing.
Yeah, I made a little graph of like all the means and whatnot.
Yep,
that was
I did
helpful.
as well.
Yeah,
mine's mostly about
sketch the box plot. I did not write a paragraph.
All you have to know is that you had to write means, the standard deviations, and the number of subjects in each group,
one.
category.
Yes. Yep.
Whatever you want to call it. And box plots.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. And doing the QQ plot.
Mm-hmm.
It took me a minute to figure out how to get all 3 of them at the same time, but I did.
Yeah, the QQ plot took me a little bit too, but yeah. That goes on to number 4, making inferences. What type of hypothesis test is appropriate? More than 2 means ANOVA. What are the requirements for this test? 2 things. Normal distribution for each group, or in other words, the data itself, not necessarily the sample means of the not necessarily the
population.
Of each group.
Yes.
The data itself has to be normally distributed. So you do that by going into QQ plots and kind of showing how I wrote them. I have them here, but I also have them. You just have to kind of make sure and look at the numbers of the variances and make sure they're not 4 times the value.
Right.
Yeah.
That. So you look at 299.19 and you look at the lowest 170 and you're like, okay, that's not 4 times the value.
Yeah, I just been dividing the biggest by 4 and
the
making
requirements
sure
are met.
Yeah, not bigger than the lowest one.
D, compute the statistic. I said F is equal to 6.563.
Yep.
The degrees of freedom, there's 2 degrees of freedom. There's the between the groups, which is 2, and then within the groups is 120.
Yeah, and the between the groups always comes first.
Yes.
Okay.
Compute the p-value. Basically, the p-value is less than the alpha. So I got like 0.002.
Yep.
Make a decision. You reject the null hypothesis because the p-value is less than the level of significance.
Yep.
And you say we have insufficient evidence to say that at least one mean of the ages of the death of the writers is different from the rest of the mean deaths ages for the other category. In other words, that was a whole mouthful to say. In other words, we have enough evidence to say that at least one of those means is different than the rest of them.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's like.
Yeah, I've decided statistics is the most awkward way to speak ever.
For real.
Yeah,
Right.
seriously.
So,
Number 5.
what kind of action should we take?
Well, I have no idea. I was reading this, and I was thinking that poets are, I was like, they seem to die earlier than the other ones. Because, I don't know, but that's just what I saw.
Yeah. Well, when you read her answer, she's like, that they have mental illness and blah, blah, blah. I was like, I didn't read any of that in the study.
Yeah.
So I was just
Try and put all the poets into groups, like Alcoholics Anonymous. Make sure, you feel like you're gonna die, like you're gonna commit suicide? I don't know.
Yeah.
Save the lives.
Yeah. And I was like, it looks like coats have a shorter lifespan. Must be looked into.
I will be right back.
Okay.
Someone's calling me. I'll be right back.
Okay. So you feeling ready for this test, Natalie?
I don't know. There's like, I think I get it, and then I'll go and do the homework, and I'll be like, wait a second, and I'll have to like, oh, it's so bad. So I'm hoping I'm ready.
Yeah, me too. This one I think is okay as long as you know how to work the software.
Yeah.
So it seems like the majority of what we're doing now is you're putting it in software. So at least, as long as you put it in right, you'll get the right calculations. Like you're not going to miscalculate.
That's
hit
true.
the wrong number on your calculator or whatever.
Yeah.
So that's kind of nice. Ugh. How's your dog?
Oh, she's better. They gave her, because she had a really bad limp last week.
Mm-hmm.
Like, not even putting pressure on her legs. So we were like, we're going to take her in. And so they're like, she just has a bad sprain. So they gave her painkillers, and she's fine now. Just running around.
Good. That's good.
Yeah. So, because she's had injuries around her leg and stuff before, so we wanted to make sure she didn't tear anything.
Yeah. Poor puppy.
It's pretty interesting.
Yeah. Ugh. Vet bills. That's not fun.
Well, it really wasn't terribly bad, because the vet clinic, I got recommended to go there, and it was only like, because they also gave her rabies shots and a bunch of other stuff, and it was only like $110 for everything, and so I was like, no.
Wow. That's nice.
I know.
Geez, I probably paid 7 times that out here. X-rays? Are you kidding me? Holy moly.
I know, it's crazy.
Yeah, we ended up with pet insurance out here because it's like the vet bills are astronomical out here. So we ended up getting vet bills because you just like,
Yeah.
$3,000 if she gets a bowel obstruction or something.
It's awful.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've definitely been blessed.
Yeah, that's good.
I think the biggest thing we had for her was over the summer she had fleas, and we bombed her and everything, but they didn't go away and we didn't know, and so she ended up getting a staph infection and a respiratory infection from it. We had to take her in to get medicine and stuff, and it was just, I felt so bad. We were like, oh my gosh, what's going on? Because she couldn't keep anything down, and we were traveling, and so we had to keep her hydrated with Gatorade because she just couldn't keep anything down, and we went to the vet, and they were like, oh, she just has this, and it's fine. We were like, oh, okay. I know.
Poor puppy. All right. I'm just pulling up the quiz here.
Yeah, me too.
Getting ready. I am exhausted. Everybody's been sick, and I feel like I feel run down today. I'm hoping I'm not getting sick.
Oh yeah, I'm just getting over. Because when I went to the doctor that one time, I had a cold, but it was starting to move into my chest, and every time something like that happens, I usually end up with bronchitis, and I usually end up in the emergency room because it gets so bad so quickly for me. So we were like, let's go get that early. And he's like, okay, we'll just keep on it, and gave me some stuff, and I was like, okay.
That's good.
Yeah. I was like, I think I'd rather do a doctor's visit than end up in the emergency room.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. I agree with you there.
Yeah, because usually I just sit there and do breathing treatments all the time. So I was like, ugh, so nope, not going to do that.
No, we just had strep in our house. My little boy had strep throat.
Oh, that's awful.
Yeah. Well, and it was like 104 temperature. And I was like,
oh my gosh.
Crazy. Well, he also had an ear infection, and I found that when my kids have ear infections, they tend to run those really high fevers. So, yeah, but he's feeling better, and he's up to his normal shenanigans now, so that's good.
The usual stuff.
What you need, sweetie? Okay, here, I'll sign it.
You just have to write your initials.
It's easy? Yeah. Okay. You say hi to Natalie?
Okay. Hi, Natalie.
Hi.
Okay, are you going to bed?
No, not yet.
Not yet. What time is it? It's still 6 more minutes. It's time for bed.
Actually,
It's almost 8:30.
actually only 5.
Okay, 5 minutes. So just enough time to brush your teeth.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, sweetheart. I love you.
I love you too.
For some reason, my internet won't work up in my bedroom, so I'm down here with the family.
Interesting.
Out.
Yeah,
Take it
sometimes
easy.
I was-
Can you look out the garage door and make sure Dad left to go get Emily?
wait, go to your kennel. Go. No.
Is this car gone?
Huh?
Okay. Oh, good. Oh, he's home. Okay.
Go down. Okay. I swear my dog is like a child. She's like, play with me, pay attention.
Sometimes I think they're worse than a child. My dog is just like under my feet, and I'm like, seriously. Go.
She's so vocal, like not barking, but she'll just whine. Like, oh, she's like, play with me. And I'm like, no, I can't do something. I'm like,
Yep. That's
No,
my
she-
dog too.
I was trying to convince my husband to let us get an English bulldog, and he was like, well, they do the same things that babies do. I want to just have a baby. I was like,
Oh no. Dogs are cheaper than babies. For sure.
like, we don't have health insurance for babies yet. And he's like, so you want to pay for those? Be my guest, because next year we're getting the UPS insurance because he works for them.
Oh, nice.
So we get the really good health insurance. We're like, let's wait to have kids then. 'Cause
Absolutely.
that way, anything happens. Work out.
Absolutely. No, I would agree. I would agree with that. I mean, I think each of my labor and deliveries without insurance were like $15,000. I mean,
Ugh, that's
crazy. I mean, you pay like a fraction of that.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Yeah. That's okay.
We see.
We're ready for the quiz if you're ready for the quiz.
Oh, I am plenty ready for the quiz. They had no kidding. As I was doing math homework this week, Sunday, this box behind me caught on fire and I lost power to everything. I would have freaking burned the house down. But you ever seen The Green Mile?
Yeah.
Ever seen the scene when the guy gets electrocuted and there's sparks and fire everywhere?
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly what was happening back here.
Oh no.
Sparks and fire everywhere.
Oh my god.
Whole room here
That's
smelled like plastic.
stinks.
It was bad.
That's crazy.
It was crazy.
She's brushing her teeth.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Excuse me. Okay.
Numero tres. Whenever you guys are ready.
Ready.
Yep, ready.
Let's do it.
All right. Number 3, in an ANOVA hypothesis test, we reject the null when there is sufficient evidence to indicate at least one mean is different from the others. I say that is true.
I say so too.
Yep.
4. What are the requirements needed to be checked when performing an ANOVA hypothesis test? There's 2 of them. There is the variances are equal in each group,
Yeah.
and the data in each group must be normally distributed,
Agreed.
which is B and C.
Yep.
Yes. I agree.
Okay, 5. To check if each group is normally distributed, do the following. Construct a scatter plot of the data, construct a histogram of all the data, or construct a QQ plot for each group.
Yeah, I say the last one.
Me
Me
too.
too. All right, number 6. We assume the variance in each group is the same if the following happens. The sample variance for each group is smaller than the sample mean. No. The largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance. Yes.
That's
The largest sample mean is less than 2 times. Each group has the same. Okay, yeah. I say it's the second one.
Yep.
B. An ANOVA hypothesis test is equivalent to conducting the independent 2-sample t-test between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples?
Jeez. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 3.
So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4.
Yeah.
2, 3.
So it's going to be 9. Or is it going to be 12? Hold on.
1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. It's 3. They can't be paired with each other, so it's 1, 2, 1, 3, and 1, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4, and then 3, 4.
There's only like 6.
I
right?
say 6, maybe.
Say 6.
Yeah.
I could do it out on my paper here.
Okay, hold on.
Just write 1, 2,
2,
3, and 4s.
3,
1,
4.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I say there's 6, but
Okay.
soccer
Okay.
shoes data has 6 groups: A, B, C, D, E socks. This data can be found in the wiki. Load all 6 samples into a qualitative inference procedure spreadsheet, or perform an ANOVA test in SSB. Oh, never mind, we're an ANOVA test. And observe the p-value is blank, or whatever that is, 0.0809. Remove the socks data. What is the p-value?
Okay, hold on. I'm pulling up my SPSS here.
Me too.
I think I gotta load this guy up too. Do you want to save that for last and just
Sure.
do 13,
Yeah.
14, and 15? Never mind. I
Are
think
they all?
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, we can do that.
you can do the
no.
last one. Never mind. I think you can. Test statistics for ANOVA hypothesis test is an F statistic. Is the p-value to the right or the left?
Oh, to the right, because it can't be negative.
Right. Okay, and then the rest of those are the, was it soccer shoes?
Yeah, soccer shoes.
Shoes.
Okay,
Soccer shoes. Let's go.
here we go. Now, are they all ready? Do we have to do the automatic recode with these? I think we do.
Current data.
Gotta load up the data.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
See here. Come on. Resources. Online textbook. Data files. Soccer shoes. Right here. Open. Oh, it looks like you do have to have.
Yeah, you do. You have to.
You have to have. Okay. They want you to remove the socks data and find out what the p-value is. So,
I've got it whenever you guys are ready. Shoot, what did I have to do for the? Okay.
I wonder how you exclude socks.
Yeah.
I mean, I could figure this out. Hang on. First, let me make a.
Well, why would you? Are they just asking for shoes? Hold on.
No, they're asking us to find the p-value without the footwear socks group.
Remove this. Oh, that's crappy. Okay, hold on. How do we do that? Okay, so that doesn't work the way I did it. Hold on. Oh, so I just go in and just erase it, right?
You could.
I'm just going to erase it.
But the next couple questions want you to use all 6 samples. So,
Okay.
all right, I'll delete them.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, let us.
Okay. So when you guys are ready.
Sorry, I'm just trying to find the p-value here.
No worries.
Okay. All right. P-value. Still trying to find a p-value here. Hang on.
Okay.
Oh, I found it. Found it.
I got, what'd you get? I got 0.309.
Exactly.
That's what I got too.
That's what I got.
Okay, perfect. Let's see. And then I went back and did it again for the socks, with socks included, and the p-value went down significantly to 0.081 is what I got. So that could be true.
Hang on, I gotta open up. I gotta reopen up soccer shoes again.
Yeah. All I did was delete them and then just undid what I did. It was quick. Kind of like, you know how Word has that undo your previous
Oh, they have an
action?
undo value in there?
It's a green arrow
That's
at
nice.
the top. Yeah, so that's how I did that fast.
Now they want you to.
Okay. So now, okay. this is tedious. Jeez.
Mm.
Okay.
The p-value, you said it was. What did you say? You said it was false?
I said it was
It went
true.
down.
Yeah.
It went down significantly. So when you remove one, it goes up, right? Because when we removed socks, it was like 0.309.
Yeah, and then it went down.
P-value always goes up when one group is removed.
Right.
Oh, it did go up. Yeah.
It did.
But the
Okay.
highest
So,
p-value you see when removing only one group.
do you guys each want to take one? I'll do E.
What is the highest p-value you see when removing only one group?
So we have to figure out all of them.
I see. That's pretty tedious.
I agree. I'm taking out E. If you guys each want to take one out.
But look at 11, 12, and 13. When all 6 samples are used, what is the min variance? What is the max variance?
Okay.
Do you want to go ahead and do 11 and 12 first, and then we'll do 10?
Sure. Hold on.
Yeah.
Well, I'm in the middle of doing E. Let me just finish that one first.
Okay.
No E. 0, 0. Okay. 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 Minimum, the smallest variance. Okay. To find the variance, we do the explore, right?
Explore.
Yeah,
Um,
I can't remember.
to find the min variance.
Yeah,
I think so. I'm just looking at them right now.
yeah. Here we go. That's what I did. 27.
What did you use? Explore.
Yeah, when you go into analyze, descriptive statistics, explore, it brings up all 5 variances for you. 53.
Highest one I have is 53.
0.158.
Yeah,
Yep.
40.74.
that's the largest.
Okay, that's the largest, and the smallest one is the 27.208. The largest is 53.
Yes, I think you're right.
53.
It's close.
158. It is close between A and C. Okay, so 11 is the 27, right? Because it's the smallest. And then 12 is 53.158.
I'm gonna do a QQ plot for this.
Okay. Remind me how you do that so to get all of them.
Analyze descriptive statistics QQ plots, and you're gonna do the
Yeah.
variable of kicking accuracy.
Yeah. When I did that, I only got one. How did you get all of them?
Wait, there's gotta be a way.
There is a way, but I don't remember what it is.
Oh, what
Was
did they
it?
do?
I don't remember what I did.
Was it one way ANOVA? Options. Means plot. Descriptive.
Yeah, that way wasn't right for me. Let's see.
That wasn't a means plot. That didn't help. I got a box plot. Get a means plot. The test for equal variances is satisfied for this data. I said true.
Yeah, I say true that, I mean, all of them, when you look at, like, I did a QQ plot that has all of them, and they all look fine. Like, together, it's like 1 for all 5 groups. But that's not what I wanted to look at.
I found a histogram. Wait, we're not doing a histogram, are we? Doing a QQ plot.
Right. I can't remember how I did this. Oh, I think I just added footwear to it as well. Nope. I just want to figure this out so I know for later.
For real.
Oh, I think it's under Hold on. Under Explore.
I found it. I think I found it.
Was it under Explore?
Oh, I found the histograms, but I didn't find the QQ plot. But it's got to be here. Like legacy dialogues. No.
Normality plots with tests. All right. I went under Explore. Hold on. Let me see if this did it. Yes, that's what did it. Hold on. I went under Analyze, Explore, Descriptive Statistics Explore, and then go under Plots when you get that box pops up, and click the one that says Normality
plots with tests. I see it. Yeah, I was figuring it was in there. I was like hanging around in the Explorer, and I was like, it's here somewhere. I can get it.
I know. I was like, I just did it. Like
All right, here we go.
earlier today. Okay. There we go.
Normal,
Yeah, they all look normal.
Normal. That one doesn't look too normal.
Yeah.
That one, what is it? B?
Yeah.
I guess it looks okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay.
All right.
So true for 13 then.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go ahead and remove a couple of these.
Okay, are you guys back to the other one?
Yeah, I'm back at 10 now.
Yeah.
Okay. So I did E already, and the p-value was 0.050. With no socks, it was 0.309. So we just need the other 4.
How did you
got
do
rid of
that
E,
one?
right?
Huh? I got rid of E and left everything else in.
Okay. You want to
Okay.
get rid of D? I'll get rid of C, and
Yep, I'll do D.
all right. I'll get
And
rid
then
of
Natalie, do you want to do B?
Sure.
Okay.
getting rid of C right now.
I'll do A.
Okay.
I'm done already with the other one.
All right, I did C.
I forgot to add the socks back in.
Okay.
Okay. I did A and D.
Okay.
You did A? What was A?
A is 0.060,
Okay.
and I did D,
What was
which
that?
was 0.031.
Mhm.
What did you guys get for C and B?
I got.
Oh
I'm
my
gonna do it again just to be safe.
Okay.
Okay. You take out C.
Yep.
0.448.
Okay.
I think that's the highest.
That is the highest. And then B, how's B coming?
Hold on. trying to find the p-value. Where is it? Okay. Hold on. My SPSS is being really touchy.
Okay.
I think I did something wrong. What is going on?
For B, you're doing B, right?
Yeah.
I just got 0.052 for B.
I got that as well. I just did it too.
Okay, there it is. Yep, see it. Sorry.
That's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I did double check C just because it's nice, and I got the same answer you did, Josh. Okay.
So what was the highest one that we got?
Is the 0.448, the one Josh did.
That's the highest one.
You are the winner.
The winner chicken dinner. Excellent.
Alrighty.
All right, let's submit it.
Sounds good.
Go ahead.
Oh, number 9.
Hmm?
Oh, I probably should have waited to answer number 9.
Oh, you didn't answer number 9? You said it was true.
I said it was true, but it's false.
Yeah, it was false.
That's okay.
The p-value always goes up when one group is removed compared to the p-value.
But that wasn't true because some of them the p-value went down.
Yeah.
Oh, it looked like it did. It looked like they went up every time. What was the p-value with all of them? It was 0.081. Oh,
P-value always goes up when one group is removed. When we
which
removed the p-value,
is false because
we went down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Together, it was 0.08 or 09. When
Yes.
we took out the data, it was 0.309, which means
Right.
it went up when we took one out.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the other one, some of them went down. Like D went to 0.031, and B went to 0.052. So some of them, the p-value.
That's kind of a trick because it says the p-value always goes up, not necessarily always. I think is the key.
Yeah. Which is why it should have been false. I put true down.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So.
Okay. We'll live.
Oh, look, it'll be fine. We still got an A, so.
Yeah.
All good.
You live.
So, Natalie, do you feel comfortable putting stuff into SPSS, or do you want to go over it?
Sometimes I just do it wrong, and it's me not being all here right now. I was like looking, and I just had so much on there that I had to like keep scrolling, and then I found it. So.
Okay. Okay. Because if you're not comfortable, I'm more than happy to go through it if you'd like.
Yeah. No, I got it. I think I was just looking at the wrong thing.
Sure. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to.
Cool.
Want to go over it? We can go over it.
I mean, I understand it, but if you guys want to go over it, we can.
I like your Control-Z, your undo. I didn't even know you could do that with this program. That's great.
I am all for figuring out how to not have to work so hard.
Nice. Yep.
Alrighty. Well, perfect.
Yeah.
So Thursday?
Thursday, I'm still good.
Okay,
Ready to study for the exam,
yeah.
which is a huge part
Yes.
of the homework.
Yeah, which I think is all of the homework, right? She doesn't
Actually,
present
yes, I
anything
think it
new. Yeah. I'm glad she does that. That is kind of nice.
Homework.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is good.
But she really could just start with new lessons and give us a test too. So, all right, you guys good?
Yep.
I am great. Very good.
Okay, perfect.
All right, friends.
Yeah.
Okay, see you on Thursday.
We will peace out until Thursday then. Good luck to you.
Thanks,
See
you
you
too.
around if you need any questions.
Alrighty, same here.
Thanks, friends.
Okay, see you
Bye.
later.
Have a
Bye-bye.
nice one.
You
Bye.
too. Bye-bye.